I mentioned earlier that Google always is saving in the background, and I see up here where it says all changes are saved. In fact, it basically says, hey, my last edit was just a few seconds ago. And you can keep an eye on that if you're a little on the paranoid side, so that you can always check and make sure that changes are being saved. Okay, I think we need a phone number. Let's type in, let's see, 334 670 3289 is the phone number for the front office. I think Jacksonville has a 904 area code. And notice when I press the tab that it still remembers that we have that right tab set. As a matter of fact, let me go down to the next line. And if I started typing in information now, all the tabs are cleared except for this tab at the very end. Well, with the cursor on this new line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear that tab. I'm just going to click on it and drag it way over here, kind of get it out of the way. And now the tabs have basically reset to normal. So as I start working in here, the text that I type in will have normal tabbing. All right, you put your best foot forward first, and probably for you, educati, education is going to be a big thing. Well, I need to go ahead and type in some stuff, so I'm going to basically take a few moments out, type in some information, then we'll come back and start formatting it. Well, through the magic of video recording, there's a lot of information that I have typed in. I've typed in education, I've typed in college, high school, work experience, awards, licenses, and information about references. Okay, let's go ahead and start formatting this. Well, the first thing I'm going to do, and I formatted that one line, but not all the other lines. I'm just going to highlight everything and say what I want. I'm going to be consistent with times and 12. All right. I would think that that would be bold-faced and underlined. And I would think that experience would be bold and underlined. Awards, major category, bold and underline. And licenses, bold and underline. References, bold and underline. That was easy enough. Education, okay. Well, yeah, let's just go ahead and I'm going to do an indent on everything there. And I think I'll do another indent from there. Now, these items probably should be put together with bullets. So I just highlight, click on bullets. I don't think I need that blank space there. Just tighten that up a little bit. All right, let me do the high school stuff. I'll do another indent. I highlighted everything. Let me bring in my relevant courses, and I'll bullet these guys. And let me get rid of that extra space because I don't think it's needed. Okay, this is lining up. So I have my education from the university, my degree, my high school with the relevant courses, experience. Well, let's try first off putting that as a bullet. Okay, that looks good, I guess. Well, let's go ahead and format out all these items, and when we're through formatting them, we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Well, I'm finished formatting. And if you notice, I decided the bullets didn't look good at this particular point, so I turned the bullets off and I just did an indent. I did the indent by highlighting everything, then clicking on the indent item. And to be consistent, I indented my awards, licenses, and references. So let's take a look at this. We have our resume lined up. Everything looks like it's fitting. Now I do have some residue on additional page, so I'm going to click on page 2 and hit the delete key so I can get rid of that second page. Well, I think we're ready to try to turn this item in.